Hi guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm doing a Valentine's inspired look. When I think of Valentine's shades, I think of red, I think of dusky roses, pinks, and then golds and shimmer shades as well. And that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to dip into a palette that I haven't used for a long time, and it's the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. I absolutely loved this when it came out. As you can probably tell with I hit pan on one of the shimmer shades, the Moon Dust, and I just love this palette so much. They've got some really nice rosy tones in there, so that's what I'm going to use today. Because it is Valentine's, I did find out my Ink Me stamp tattoo sort of like heart pen thing that we got in the Pride box from Glossy Box last year, and I really want to use it, but it is black, so I might use a red liquid lipstick just to kind of like colour in or add some red to the black. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, but I am looking forward to using this out just to see what it's like. I am doing a Lush Valentine's video as well. I'm not sure if it's going to be before or after this. It hasn't actually come yet, so I don't know if I'm going to be uploading this before or the Lush Valentine's video before. I'm not too sure. We'll see. We'll see. But I can't wait to smell the ones that I brought. I didn't buy all of them because you'll see in the video when I obviously do the video. So I have got my base down today. I've got my foundation. I am actually using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I love it so much. It looks so good on my skin. I did set my under eyes with the Born This Way setting powder as well. I use the Fenty Beauty concealer with the Born This Way. I have actually put some mascara on. That is because I tried this new one out today, and it's the Maybelline Snap Mascara. Really, really nice mascara. It just thickened my lashes and just made them longer. It just made them really, really nice. The wand is a curved wand, which I really like as well. So I can't wait to see how this wears during the day, or if it's easy to get off, or just to see how it is during the day. But so far so good. My impressions are really, really good. Maybelline brings out some really, really good mascaras. My other favourite one for Maybelline is the Lash Sensational. I love this mascara as well. They're just both amazing. Really, really nice, inexpensive. Yes. I don't think there's anything else left to say, so I can't wait to get in and start applying some of these colours to my eyes and seeing how much I still love them. So if you'd like to see how this look turns out, then please just keep on watching. Like I said before, I am using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Master palette, and for the transition shade I'm just going to go into this colour here, and it's called Demure, and it's just a nice rosy shade. Really nice. This is my favourite transition shade. I haven't used this palette in so long. I don't know why, just other palettes come out that I use. So it's just going to be a nice soft transition shade, ready for some of the heavier colours. So again, I'm just doing one eye at a time, then going off camera and doing the other eye like I normally do. So now I'm going to go into this nice purple shade, and this is Risque, and I'm going to focus that on the outer V. If it stays like it, I don't know. And I might actually just bring it further into the eyelid, maybe on the outer eyelid. Now I'm going to go into this like red purple shade called Man Eater. I'm just going to apply that in the inner corner crease area going out. Now I'm going to go in with Henna, this colour just here, and I'm just going to focus it into my crease just to darken that area up. So now I'm going to cut crease my lid. So I'm going to just start off from here and then probably to the middle, a little bit past the middle of my lid. And I'm just going to use the Urban Decay Naked Concealer for that. I'm just going to use the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH42 brush. Okay, so I've carved out as much as I want to, and now I'm going to go in with the shimmer shade Moon Dust, the one that I've used a lot of. It's my favourite colour out of the whole palette, and I'm going to apply it on the area that I have just carved out. I will be applying it with the JH41 brush by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, and I will be wetting the brush as I prefer how it looks with a wet brush. So just the Moon Dust one. Just take Man-Eater again and just blend in the edges of that shimmer shade so it all flows together. So now I'm going to focus on my under eye, and I'm going to apply the Demure that we use for the transition shade. I'm just going to run that along the whole under eye line, or under eyelash line, whatever it's called. I'm going to take some of the Man-Eater and apply it halfway, a little bit over halfway. Then I think I just want to add some Risque, some nice purple to it. Maybe just focus it on the outer part of my under eye, connecting it to the eye colour. Just going to take my wet brush and apply the Moon Dust into my inner corner. And I think that's how we're going to keep the Valentine kind of eye look. I'm going to add a wing liner because that's what I always do. I always add wing liner to my looks. I do love how these shades have come out. I have missed this palette so much. So I'm really glad that I've used it again. So now I'm going to go off and do my other eye. I will add some eyeliner and I'll be right back with you guys after I finish doing that. So see you in a minute. Okay guys, so I finished the eyes and I absolutely love them. I have applied a lipstick on. It's the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Gossip Girl. This is my favourite liquid matte from her. Really, really nice. Love it. It does go with the eyes so well. So really, really pretty. So now I'm going to put the heart stamp probably here. I think I want to put it there. Just below my wing liner, I think. There's where I've put the heart. You can see the kind of like outline of the stamp, like ring thing around it. So I'm just going to tidy it up by using a little bit of concealer and just covering that up. So there we are. I have cleaned it up. I do like the black heart, but I want to add a little bit of red. So I'm going to take this Lime Crime liquid lipstick in Red Velvet and apply a little bit of red to the heart. So there is the heart. I haven't coloured it all in just because I like the black, and then I've just put 2 dots of red in there. I do like that stamp. I think it's really cute. So this one is the Rimmel London one, so you can just buy it in any drugstore, but I think these are really, really cute. So this is the completed Valentine's look, inspired look. I really, really love this look. I'm definitely going to be wearing this for Valentine's. I love the heart, the little addition of the heart that I've put on there. Like I said, you can buy them from any drugstore. It's a Rimmel London stamp. Really inexpensive. I think it's like £5 or something. But I really, really love it. It just makes it more, I don't know, just nice. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram somewhere down here, and it's also linked in my description box for you guys to go and check that out. This makeup look might be on there. I'm not too sure if I'm going to be doing a picture of it yet and putting it on Instagram, but I'm pretty sure I will be. So I hope you guys enjoy Valentine's Day. If you're a single Pringle like I am, that's okay. We can still look gorgeous. But other than that, I think that's it, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.